Hi students, in this short video I want to teach you how to do comparison of fractions. Okay, so we will have fractions, two fractions, and then they do not have the same denominator, and then we need to do something with it first so that they have the same denominator, and then we compare the fractions. Okay, so let's start to take a look at some examples. Now, there are three cases that we need to keep in mind. The first one is case number one, the greater denominator is the multiple of the smaller denominator. And then what to do? Then we just change the small denominator to the big denominator, and then the big denominator just stay over there. So let's take a look at it, and then you try on your own. Okay, so as you can see over here, see, this greater denominator is the multiples of the small one. In this case also same thing, 15 and 5, right? 5 is a multiples of 15 is a multiple of 5. 45 is the multiple of 9. Same thing again with this, 12 is the multiples of 3. 42, the big denominator of 42 is the multiple of 6. Yeah, and then the greater denominator over here, 48, is the multiples of 8. So I will show you what to do here. So okay, so this one, yeah, you can see over here, we have 5 out of 8 and 4 out of 3 out of 4. So the 5 out of 8, compared with later with 3 out of 4. Now, as we know, right, this the 8 is the multiples of 4. So we just need to change this 4 to become 8. So first thing, we just copy the fractions, and this one later will become 8. And so what we need to do is we need to times with 2. The numerator also need to multiply with 2, and then you will have this one 6 out of 8. Now after that, you compare the two fractions, right? Oh, 5 out of 8 and 3 out of 4 and 6 out of 8 over here, right? And then this one, the 6 out of 8 is greater, so this one is greater. Okay, so same thing again with 4 out of 5 and 11 out of 15. So 15 is the multiples of 5, so I need to change the 4 out of 5 to become 15. So then after that, we can do the comparison. So the first thing, I just copy the fractions, and then this one will become 15. Now, what to do is I need to multiply it with 3 to become 15. So same thing with the numerator also, I need to multiply with 3, and then the result is 12 and 15. Now, and then after that, oh, I see that the 4 out of 5 is greater, right? This one 12 out of 5, this one is 11 out of 5. So I circle the greater denominator. Then the same thing again with this 24 out of 45 and 5 out of 9. So you see, I can, from the 9 over here, can jump to 45, right? Because if I list down, you see 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. And then you see, oh, 45, yes. 45 is the multiples of the 9. So what we need to do here, the 45 will stay, and then I need to change the 9 over here, the numerator 9, to 45. And then what should I do here? First, I just copy the denominator, the fractions, and then as you can see over here, 9 go to 45, right? So multiply with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiply with 5, become 45, and then this must also multiply with 45, multiply with 5, and then this is 25. And then you have 25, 45, and then this one 24, 45, right? So the 5 out of 9 is greater than the 24, 45 out of 45. Okay, so this is the examples. I hope you try it on your own. Yeah, you pause this video and then try it on your own, and then after you have finished it, you play the video again and then check your answer. Okay, so you can pause your video now and then you do it on your own for number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this is the answer for number 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so this is greater than this fraction, because after I do the conversion, this is the result, 8 out of 12. Yeah, and then 5 out of 6 and 25 out of 42. When I convert this 5 out of 6, the result is 35 out of 42. And then this is greater. Same thing again, 28 out of 45. 48 is the multiples of 7, multiples of 8. So I just convert the 8 to 48. And then the result is 42 out of 48. And then this is greater. So I do the comparison. Okay, so that's all. I hope I can see you again in the next video. Okay, with the case number 2. Yeah. Okay, thank you.